Mom Robinson, the one here for you, you know. Your life soon sort out, so no worry. Your life soon happy. Bless up yourself, my Mom Robinson. Okay, guys, I am doing an update on the YouTube paycheck 50%. I'm giving away 50% of my first YouTube paycheck. I did a video before, and this is an update on the video that I did. Okay, so if you didn't know, there are someone on my page named Mama Robinson, and she been following me for ever since I was on YouTube last year. Is it last year? Yeah. Last year. And she comment on like maybe 90% or 85% of my video, 90 or 85% of my videos that I post on Facebook, on YouTube. And because she engaged in the comment section, I know that she watches the videos because of what she comment. So I wanted to give her 50% of my first YouTube paycheck. Okay, so the last time I checked it, it was $127. It haven't updated yet. So I'm waiting to see when YouTube is going to update that. And because of the holiday, I was supposed to get paid on December something, because YouTube pay you every month. So because of the Christmas holiday, I update my tax information, because they sent me an email to update my tax information and the bank account and everything to send the money to the account. But because of the Christmas, and I've been decorating and cleaning and buying gifts and wrapping gifts and cooking and all of that, I wasn't checking my emails, and I realized that I did something wrong. I didn't want the YouTube money to go in my personal account, so I actually add my business name to it, my business name, and for them to send the money. But I think I clicked something when I was doing that application that I shouldn't have. Okay, so I'm getting a message on Instagram. Okay, so I clicked something that I put something in that maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I should have put partner. So they said it wasn't correct. But I get the email, and because I wasn't checking my email, my business email, I realized that it have passed and I didn't get to put the information in. So now I went in to check the money to see if the money come in so I could send Mom Robinson her paycheck. I realized I didn't get paid because I didn't update the information that I was supposed to update. So I'm not gonna get paid again until in January. But there's a good news to this. The last time I checked it, it was 127, and YouTube haven't updated that yet because they're waiting for me to put in my information. So hopefully they will update it now, because I put in the right information that I supposed to, but I'm not gonna get paid until January. I guess January month then. So hopefully everything is correct when the time comes, so I could get paid. So I'll be following up, because everything is back to normal now. Christmas is over, and I'm just gonna get busy doing some work, so I'll be in my email every single day. So if they send me update that anything else needed, If not, I'll definitely get paid the end of January. And the good news is it's have to be more money because I earn more money. So it's not like she's going to get so it was 127, so she would get 60, like $63.50, right? Right? Am I correct? 127. Yeah, it would be $63.50. She would have gotten. But any amount of money that I make by now to the end of January, if I made $1,000, she's gonna get $500. I don't know how much I'm gonna make, but I'm going to give her half of it still. So I'm just waiting to see how much more money I'm gonna earn by the end of January. But the next video that I'm going to put out about this, it's gonna be when I give her the 50%, and then I'll let you guys know how much I got. Which is, I didn't say I was gonna tell you in the first video. I said I was gonna discuss that, but I'll just let you know, because I have nothing to hide really about that. So I just said if I get $100 and $200, she's gonna get $100. If I get $500, she's gonna get $250. Whatever I get, she's gonna get half of it. Okay. So Mom Robinson, I'm doing this video for you, so you will see that I am keeping you posted, and I'm gonna inbox you. And Happy New Year's to you, and Happy New Year's to everybody on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching my channel, because what? I have no idea. Okay guys, so really really and truly, thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and I see you guys lovely comment and your support. I thank you so much for that. So I'll keep you posted. I'm exhausted. I'm going to sleep shortly because I was dancing the Jerusalem. There was a little party down here tonight, me and my family and friends, and I was dancing the Jerusalem. I'm in the basement by myself now. So I'm gonna go up, wash off, and go straight to my bed. So guys, that's it. Mom Robinson, you have a blessed one. God bless you, and thank you so much for your support. This video is for you to keep you updates on what next. So hopefully the packet will get bigger by the end of January, so you can eat a better food. You understand? And if everybody who feel like me not gonna give Miss Robinson the money, we see if she gonna comment under the video when she get the money, because me I gonna put the video when me send the money. So for anybody who feel like this is a joke, it's not, because me I gonna make sure say me send it. I'm have proof sure, so me send it. Okay, so it's not a joke. Mom Rob, you're gonna get the 50%, and your time soon come. Take a little more, man. Take a little more. You see it? I get some more money. It's a reason why it never got through. You know why the reason why? The reason is because it need to grow a little more. So you will get it. You will get it. So that's damn cool. Yeah, eat ice. Ooh, on my teeth. So just done party. Everybody gone in them bed. Me alone there down in the basement. So I come over. I go drink a shot of energy and enjoy life. Life short. Life hard, so if I enjoy it, I'm gonna have loving, caring family. I'm gonna have a loving, caring family. Spend time with them and love them up, because you never know when the day will come when you just not see them no more. So guys, I'm gonna sleep now. And bless upon yourself. One love, unity, strength, power. And again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And one love. Happy New Year again to you all.